In this problem we have to find the distance between the points 0, -2 and -1, 2. So first we will write the given points are A and B. Let A is equal to 0, -2 and the second point B is equal to -1, 2. So we have to find the distance between AB. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We are applying this formula. AB is equal to square root of x2 is -1 and x1 is 0. In place of x2 and x1 we are substituting -1 -0 plus y2 minus y1. Our y2 value is 2, y1 value is -2. 2 minus -2 whole square. Minus into minus becomes plus. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So here we will get AB is equal to square root of 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 square is again 1 plus 2 plus 2 whole square means it is 4 square. 1 plus 4 square. 4 4s are 16. So we are writing AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 16 which is equal to 17. In the next bit we have origin and -2, 0 means the first point is origin. Origin means we have to take this is equal to 0, 0. Origin is denoted by O. O is equal to 0, 0 and the second point we are taking A is equal to -2, 3. This is our x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So we will find the distance between OA. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. OA is equal to square root of x2 is -2, x1 is 0. -2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means we are substituting 3 minus 0 whole square. OA is equal to square root of -2 whole square plus 3 whole square. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So the distance between OA is equal to square root of 13. In the third bit, our points are -3, 4 and 4, -5. So first we will name them. The first point is A. Let A is equal to -3, 4 and the second point B is equal to 4, -5. So we are applying the same formula. Distance between AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is our x1, y1 and x2, y2 values. x2 is 4 minus of minus plus. It becomes plus. So we are writing AB is equal to square root of 4 minus -3 whole square plus y2. y2 is -5. y1 is 4 -4. AB is equal to 4 plus 3 whole square. Both the terms are negative, so we are adding them. It becomes -9 whole square. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 whole square becomes 49 and 9 square is 81. So AB is equal to square root of 49 plus 81 which is equal to square root of 130.